This is our data analysis agent. It writes Python code to analyze structured data and gives actionable business insights based on the analysis. You can upload any CSV file from your system, directly connect your own CRM or database to the analysis agent. Let's upload a file for analysis in the data analysis agent. I'm choosing a file of inventory data. Here is a prompt asking the data analysis agent to identify products below their reorder threshold and group the shortages by supplier. Select the model of your choice and send it. First, the EDA agent runs. It is doing an exploratory data analysis to understand the structure of the data, what the data is, and what particular variable it needs to center its analysis upon. The EDA agent has completed the data exploration and provided the output about the data structure, columns, variables, etc. This output will be passed to the planning agent. Based on the EDA output, the planning agent is creating a detailed plan of all the tasks the data analysis agent needs to do in order to complete the analysis. As the prompt mentioned, to identify the products below the reorder threshold and group them by the suppliers, the planning agent has created a task list around the same. The tasks are to identify shortages and calculate metrics, do a supplier hypothesis testing with chi-square, product characteristic testing with ANOVA, where it should have a p-value of less than 0.05 indicating the results are statistically significant, do a statistical validation with charts, and finally provide actionable recommendations with numbers. You can see a to-do list, which is a sequence of tasks that the AI agent will follow to complete the analysis. It completed the execution of first task, which was shortage identification and financial impact analysis, which is in line with the prompt that we gave. That was to identify the understocked items and group the shortages by suppliers. So the first task is following the story. Here you can see the AI agent is writing Python code based on the tasks created by the planning agent and also auto-executing the code. You can see the outputs generated cell-wise. If you just want to see the output, you can click on the Hide Codes button. Also, in every analysis cell, you can click on this Diagnose button to get more pinpointed highlight from this particular analysis. So, it says 46% shortage rate with 4.3 million impact suggests supply chain disruption rather than a demand issue. As you can see, the AI agent has completed the analysis and provided recommendations based on it. Let's click on Generate Report to create the analysis report with more pinpointed business insights about the analysis done. Let's click on the Report View button. You can see the AI agent is creating this file by beautifully streaming the insights generated based on the analysis. Firstly, it's creating the executive summary, offering a small gist of the entire analysis. It is highlighted that its analysis reveals significant concentration of risk in specific product categories and supplier relationships. Then it showcases the key highlights of the analysis, which are shortage severity, that is 46% of the inventory is below reorder level, risk concentration, categorical vulnerability, supplier performance, and a normal distribution of the risk. Then it shows 3 strategic recommendations, which are expediting the restockings, increasing reorder levels, and implementing a supplier performance monitoring system. And then a critical insight following that. Following that, it gives an elongated version of the recommendation with projected monetary impact after implementation of the same. It also gives calculation breakdown of how it reached the target state value. This shows that the data analysis agent generates actionable business insights with strong data backing and calculations. It also highlights the key assumptions it made for this analysis. Following that, the AI agent has also created an implementation roadmap of how to implement that recommendation. Also, a measurement table with metric, baseline, measurement method, etc. It also created a section showcasing the top 5 products that require immediate restocking based on the financial impact. It created similar detailed actionable sections of the other recommendations as well. The AI agent has created a detailed finding section. Here, insights from the cells where the AI agent wrote the Python code are shown. The first cell did an analysis around the inventory shortage. So it shows findings that there is a critical shortage severity across inventory. It has created visualizations supporting its analysis, key metrics, a KPI table, and business implications of that finding. It created similar finding sections with numerical values, visualizations, and business implications for other findings as well. And finally, in the appendix section, it mentions the statistical methods it used during the analysis like chi-square test, Pearson correlation, ANOVA, and the significance threshold of 0.05 used for all statistical tests. It also highlights the assumptions it made for the analysis as well as the limitations of the dataset, like it mentions that the data represents a single point in the time, so seasonal variations are not captured. If you want to edit the report or add a new section, simply ask the AI agent to do it. So I'll ask the AI agent to add charts in the executive summary. As you can see, the AI agent has added the visualizations in the executive summary section.